What's up guys, it's day 79 and this is probably the latest I've ever recorded my daily vlog, and that's because I've been completely heads down working on VibeScan all day. It's kind of been insane just how much progress I've made, but also how much I had to do that I didn't really realize. The deeper I get on building out this whole VibeScan Report feature, the more confident I am that this is the right way to package the product, because previously we had all of these granular findings with files and line numbers, and that's just not the way that people operate when they're coding with AI. I still have some work to do, but let me show you where I'm at right now and then what I think I need to tackle next. So first of all, we got this updated project details page. I think it looks a lot nicer. Now, the main thing down here is that the launch checklist is now automatically configured for your project. It's not picking from a preset list, but instead it's really looking at your project and what sort of things would be important to check for that kind of project. So in this example, this is a full stack survey application, and over here it's detected that, we should probably look at the response integrity. And the pre-scan now generates a list of questions that we want to investigate about the code base. So this is the kind of stuff that's going to go into the report. Speaking of which, after I run the scan, it goes through, it finds all the different issues, but then I actually have a whole new layer that I've built out where I have multiple AI agents researching all of these questions, looking through all the different files in the code base, finding the answers, and then I'm aggregating that into a complete report. So after everything is said and done, here is what you get. You get a full written up report that describes specifically the kinds of issues that you have in your code base and the next steps that you need to take, right? This is plain English. It's not using intense technical vocabulary. And over here, we got a list of next steps. I'm going to keep iterating on this so that you can get some prompts and more specific details on how to actually execute on these steps. But I definitely like having the summary up there. And then we have all of these different questions, and it's nicely formatted. You have some specific recommendations. Again, it's a little too technical right now, a little too in the weeds, but I'm working on that. And it explains exactly what we found and the answers to these business critical questions. Then if the user is really interested, they can get some further technical information about that. And again, I'll be adding some prompts that they can copy paste into their AI coding tool so that they can improve some of these evaluations. To generate a report like this, it's definitely way more expensive and way more technical pieces going on, but I think it's very much worth it as it's much more comprehensive. And I'm still tuning the exact things that it looks for and making sure that the vocabulary isn't too technical, but it's definitely feeling like more of a report that you would get from like a consulting firm rather than just a linter output. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. I'm going to keep working on it, and it's been a lot of fun obsessing over this the entire day. So I'll be back tomorrow with another update. Thanks for watching. Take care.